Yeah, please do that, Ramu. I'm noting it.
Yeah,
I was noting it down while you were saying. You were saying product information management is what we have to concentrate on, right?
correct, correct, correct.
Okay.
Mm. And
Yeah,
in
thank you so much.
inventory part, Kanish, in inventory part,
Hmm.
how to receive the material? There are receiving types of receivings we have. One is direct receipt, standard receipt, and inspection receipt. So each and every receipt, the workflows are different. So that you have to concentrate for procurement. And apart from that, we have several things. Suppose if the item is lot control, how to configure the inventory control method for lot. If it is serial, how to control, and how to configure the inventory organizations. So that inventory organizations in your general, see, any module if you want to start, the generic
Huh.
setup, pre setups which are mandatory for Oracle Cloud is, one is Ledger, the enterprise name. So for which company
Okay.
you are developing this particular project. So we have
Right.
a setup called as enterprise uh, establish, something is there. Enterprise establish. I'll go to system 1 second. I'll show to you. So we have this one. This is the Infosys one. So they are
Okay.
using the client things. So this is not a demo actually. That is what it is
Right. Right.
working in my laptop.
Yeah. Yeah. What project is this, Ramu? Which client?
Belgium Post.
Oh, Belgium Post. Okay.
Mm. Okay, so what is the first setup is, they may ask what is the general setups are needed for to start the procurement.
Okay.
So these and all you are aware, right? Local search, global
Yeah.
search,
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
and all
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
won't explain to
Absolutely.
you.
Just one question here. So let's say if I am making any kind of search here, so
Uh,
this task is in accordance to everything, right? In
all
total,
modules,
Sales Cloud, all
whatever
modules.
license
Yeah.
which you have, across all modules,
Yeah.
you are searching the things.
Right.
Define.
Because what there was one concern. I was trying to see. I created the chart of accounts. Okay. Then the problem is before creating chart of accounts, we should have the chart of accounts that
Correct,
value sets.
Kanish. Chart of account. See, these actually chart of account, legal entity. This part will be taken care by financial team. So our
Oh,
SCM functionality, I mean, the activities will start from business unit, because
from business
COA is
unit.
completely finance, but you have to aware what and all steps which you have. So once you know that steps, that is sufficient for interview.
Yeah, actually, my question here is Ramu. So what happened was I went to this chart. So you remember So for when I went to chart of account structure, right?
Mm-mm.
I just created it, but the problem was I had forgotten to create the value sets. So I first went to create the value sets, and then if I am trying to search for segments here, right, there is some task called manage segments or something. I was not able to find that task,
That
Ramu.
I'll show to you. That I will show to you. 1 second. This one I don't know why it is not coming. Manage enterprise. Uh, this is the HCM information. Huh? No. Okay, let me open this. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so each tool having one license. That license
Okay.
we are creating. That license we are creating for organization level. Suppose if you take a
Hmm.
TCS, TCS
Hmm.
is the organization. Under the TCS, we have a lot of entities are nothing but divisions. One is TCS IT, TCS corporations, or Tata Motors, Tata Beverages, or Tata Steel. So these all these things, individual things, we call it as entities or divisions. So all these
Okay.
entities again we are mapped with the organization. The main organization here is enterprise organization is TCS. So that is what for complete tool they are going to give one tool or one license. You can define only one enterprise name.
And how is this? So let's say for TCS, you have given the main enterprise name as TCS. Okay.
Yes,
Then let's
yes.
say you have TCS Bangalore. So
Mm.
that will be one.
No,
I think
TCS is the
unit.
big organization name. There is no TCS headquarters. Wherever TCS has been established, that headquarters name and some information we are giving. What is the start?
Right.
I mean, the workday will start from where and how to generate the number. So this particular setup also, it will be handled by HCM. But we have to know how to set up the enterprise name.
Okay. So the head enterprise is fine. So let's say what is the head enterprise child is division, right?
Yes, enterprise child is division. For each
Uh,
division, how we are going to map in the cloud is we're going to map as a legal entity.
mm,
Legal entity. Each each division. One second, just hold on. I'm getting
yeah,
call.
yeah.
One second. Okay, so the division is nothing but Kanish. It is the what you call legal entity. So how the
Okay.
structure is enterprise name just for sake of name. What is the organization name? For example, let us take Belgium Post. Belgium Post is the
Uh,
organization. Under this, we have a
uh,
lot of divisions.
uh,
Divisions means Belgium postal, what you call parcel service we have, and then
mm,
Belgium stamps we have, and then Belgium stores we have. So these are nothing but the divisions under the organization. So each
great.
division having different what you called the output they may give. Some divisions it will be manufacturing of stamps. Let us take in my example. So one division is manufacturing of the stamps. One division is just doing the services. So all these
Okay.
divisions having their own entity. Own entity means own legal entity, and also own ledger. So
Okay. So you are saying.
it
So,
would be like this. So let us open
so
this.
if I
Wait.
understand you correctly here, Ramu, so Belgium Post is the parent enterprise. Under that, you have got several divisions. So let's say we can call them as maybe different services. So one is stamp, one
Services.
is,
Yes.
yeah, different services. So
Services.
each is
Yeah, correct. Mm,
and each, let's say for example,
mm,
Belgium stamp is a division, and
mm.
Belgium stamp will have a legal unit of its own, correct?
Correct.
So
Correct.
under Belgium Post Enterprise, you have multiple legal units, correct?
No, no, no. Only one legal unit only. Legal entity is always one for one division. It would not be
Ah,
multiple.
no, what I'm saying is for the enterprise.
Enterprise name doesn't have any significance, Kanishk. So
Okay. Oh, it
the
is not got.
divisions, yeah, division. If you want to define the division under the enterprise, this division we are mapping in the tool as a legal entity.
Hmm.
Legal unit, not legal unit. Terminology wise, this is the legal entity. T says IT
Can
is
you
the
put
one
the
legal.
other one,
Huh?
Tata Motors? Then you can put
Yeah, this is also one more legal entity.
one more legal entity. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Similarly, Tata Beverages, that is one more legal entity.
Ah, okay.
So
Got
like
it.
that,
Got it.
each division we used to call it as legal entity.
And each will have its own ledger because
Yes,
every legal
each will
unit
have
has
a
a
own
ledger.
ledger. Yes.
Yeah,
So it may be one or more than one, but mandatorily one ledger has to be present.
doesn't. Okay.
Okay. So under this, again, we have a business units.
Okay.
So
Under
I'll
each legal unit, you have multiple business units, right?
multiple business units or single, but minimum one business unit required, multiple business also required. Under this
Okay.
business unit, again we have a inventory orgs.
Oh,
Under this inventory orgs, again we have a sub inventory orgs. So sub inventory orgs, at last we have a locator. Locator means like how to effectively utilize row rack bin concept. So this
sorry,
is the
sorry.
row rack bin concept. See, locator nothing
Oh,
but just racks. So to utilize the space of sub inventories,
okay, got it.
so how we are going to organize your items, to store the
Right.
items,
In
to
a
pick
shell,
the items in a
shells,
shell,
right?
correct, in
Shells.
a shell.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is the hierarchy of Oracle tool. One is enterprise name, then divisions, then legal ledger, division nothing but legal entity, then ledger, then business unit, inventory or sub inventory or locator.
So,
So all this particular hierarchy will be common, suppose will be common for procurement module or order management module or manufacturing module, but based on how many divisions you have, that many rows, sorry, columns will come.
correct, correct. No, but again, this business unit also can be multiple, right?
Yes. Business
So
unit will be
if I,
multiple, inventory also multiple, it will be
no,
multiple.
let me put it this way: one enterprise,
Mm,
and let's forget enterprise. Let's
mm,
take one division. So
mm.
one division to the legal, one division will always have multiple.
Ledger.
One division can have one legal entity, right? We'll always have
Uh,
one legal entity, right? One
one
division,
division always one legal entity. Division, the
one legal
synonym, other
entity.
synonym is legal entity. That's all.
Oh,
There is
okay,
no
got it, got
difference.
it. So one legal entity, the relationship between legal entity and business unit is one is to many. Legal entity
Yes,
and inventory is also, again, business unit and inventory is again one is to many.
correct,
Correct? One
correct.
one
Inventory to
inventory
sub
to sub
inventory,
inventory, one
multiple
is
are,
to many.
yes. And locator
Okay, got
also.
it, got it.
So locator you can define for sub inventory level or inventory level, but mostly locator control they're going to do for sub inventories. So this
Right, right.
hierarchy will be like from where the SCM guys will start is they will start from business unit.
Okay,
Okay. So ledger legal entities, these divisions and all will be taken care by financial team.
okay,
So here our SCM consultant will start the work. Okay. Now
okay.
that is what here when you go to this one, so here first they are given create users. We
Hmm,
have a two
hmm.
users. One is implementation consultant user and is next one is
Executive
business
manager
user or end user,
of business.
business user. Okay. Now, so that is what here if you see the things, create location, create BU, create inventory or configure BU, manage receiving parameters. So since I told right in the Excel saying that the BU start configuration work will start from the SCM consultant. That is what this particular even the PDF also they have given the test case from creating business unit.
Okay, okay,
Okay, so for creating business unit we need a locations. So
okay.
locations means your business unit is belongs to where it is Hyderabad or Bangalore or
Right,
Chennai or Pune. So we
right.
have to define the address. The address we are defining into the location. After
Right.
defining the location, then using manage business unit, we will go step by step. This will be like very detailed way. I'm very happy of containing this because whenever
Yeah.
if I have interview also, I will go through this and simply I'll go like
Oh,
with
this
that
is very detailed, very good, right?
very detailed. With that, we'll gain the knowledge and also we can explain the things in a pretty easy manner.
Okay.
Okay, so now we'll overview. Okay, so users you know already. and then we'll start step by step. Okay. Okay. So how to create the user also he has given.
Hmm.
So login, so all those things. So these and all you can see users how to create. One is using security console. We are creating the user. After the
Right.
creation of that security console, we need to map with the manage users.
Or we can directly create in the application itself, right? Without going to security console.
No, no, manage users. There, the problem is we don't have option to add the job roles, right? Manage users is
No,
one task. Security console is one task. Security console purpose is if we are after creating the user in the manage user, for that user, in order to add the roles, we have to go for security console.
no, but here also I added role, Ramu.
Where manage
In
users.
the in manage user, if you go, there also you can add roles. Yesterday, that's what I mean. Last Friday, that's what I did.
1 second. I think there the system will bring the roles from the security console.
See, here it is there. If you create a new, just search blank, no, you'll get all the users.
This is, yeah, this is my this instance, right? Let me see. Okay, sorry.
Come
See this,
down.
yeah,
Yeah.
these roles how system will be displaying in this particular screen is because these roles we don't have any option to add here in the manage
Here,
users. We
this
don't have any
plus is
option.
there.
Where
No, this,
this is role request. This is not
but for
adding the
your,
role.
maybe, no, Ramu, what I feel is for your, maybe for user, they have not given that, what do you say, that right. But yes, when I went here that day, because I myself added product, this Oracle, Oracle implementation consultant and security manager. So that's how I added here. I did not go to security console actually. That's how I know. Maybe I don't know.
No, no, no,
This
no.
how.
This one only this role request for employee role, Ganesh. Here there is no chance to add the job roles,
No,
various
just
job
go above,
roles.
go above, just go above. Yeah, in click on this role, on
Role request.
above role. Yeah,
Okay,
just
one
go.
second.
Oh, this is not okay. Okay,
This
okay.
is not actually.
Here
This
only.
is
Okay, here only. Actually, I added under roles.
role request you added. It is not a role. We don't have
No, no,
option
no.
here.
See, for me, this role request and all this view were not there. This role request, this view was not there at all. It was just roles, and it was showing all the auto provision was there, and it was showing all the roles. So this plus sign, maybe no problem, Ramu. So let that application come, then I'll show you because I myself added two roles to myself. That's what
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Okay, fine. So, but as per my knowledge,
No,
here
okay.
this one they're not used
Cannot.
for adding the roles, but to map your user with the security console. Why security
Okay,
console
okay.
we are going to use is we are going to use specifically to add the roles, delete the roles, to lock your user and to reset the password. All these kind of stuff we can't do in the manage users page.
Right, right,
Okay, so
right.
that things where they're going to do in the security console. Okay, so here they have given each create user after creating how to person type, legal employer. So this person is belongs to which legal entity and what is a business unit, what is the job, grade, department, manager, whom. So all these things we are adding into the manage users. Okay. See, click on auto
Okay.
provision rule button and observe employee role will be added to the role request. So always this role request will be used to add the employee role. So
Right.
based on the person type. Okay, so after creation, any of emails will come, those and all, no need to go. Now see, here also they were showing assign the roles to user. They're going to do using security console.
Security console.
Okay. See, now here you have to, for procurement, if they ask what are the seeded roles which you have. So from this you can find out buyer, application administrator, catalog administrator, and each role, what is the what access we are granting for the users, that also they have given. Okay, if we go through
So
this,
Ramu, in general, so let's say for example, in
uh,
my resume, if I update,
uh,
so that part I will take from you today. You just send me that so that I can update. But
uh,
what I want to ask you is, in general, in these interviews, right? So let's
uh,
say for now, if I tell them that I have knowledge on Oracle Sales Cloud, I have knowledge on Oracle procurement, I have in supply chain management, I have worked on procurement, and I have worked on some parts of product management.
mhm,
Let's say if I tell like that, okay.
mm.
So in general, what kind of questions do they ask, Ramu? Do
Yeah.
they ask these like, yeah,
See, there are two. See, there are two ways. See, first thing is they will ask. I mean, security wise, job role wise, do you have any knowledge on the procurement? Some kind of question they
mm,
will ask on the security console. Next thing
mm,
is like in the configuration side. So now they may ask like this. So you define the business unit, okay, but
mm,
you even configured common procurement BU, requisition BU, but still we are, I mean, user could not able to create the order with the with that specific BU, whatever BU which you have defined. So the problem is after creating the BU, we need to assign the functions. What BU is doing the functions, whether it is doing POs or requisition or material management or payment. There are a lot of functions we have. If one function has been missed, then system won't allow to create the order, to create the purchase requisition or purchase order. Okay.
oh, okay,
So like that, there are, see, though, whatever the question they are going to frame, it will be belongs to configuration tasks. And they may
okay,
ask some questions. What kind of approvals you are using? There are a lot of approvals we have. We have a serial
okay,
parallel. And in the parallel, we have a first responder win and consensus. And in the serial, we have single approver, approval group, job level, and position level, job level, position level, and one more is there. Uh, Job, position, single approver, approval group, and one more is there, man. I also forget that.
all this is there in this document, no, Ramu?
Now, in this document, I think approval, I am not sure, but most of the things are there.
Okay,
So that is
no,
what
like the functions
when
that you
you,
said,
now when you go through the videos along with
ah,
document, you have to come up with your notes. See, wherever in the videos also, he may highlight these are important. These are like he may repeat some of the things. So wherever he is repeating, wherever he is finding difficulties or finding configuration, this is the configuration is telling this is important, this is important. So there, what you have to do is you just,
let me share my screen with you for 1 second, okay? I want to show you that. Uh, can I show you? Can I share my screen here? How is it possible?
yeah, but
One
I
second.
have to give
No.
now host. Yeah, now I given host to continue.
Yeah, let me share my screen. The reason is because those videos, no, I was. Um are you able to see my screen?
Uh,
1 second.
Still not it.
Desktop one. Yeah, desktop one. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Okay, so if I show you this, see,
Mhm.
there are three folders. Okay, uh, so this is the way it is. See, there are procurement R13, 1, 2, and 3 folders. Okay, so
Mhm.
if I'm going here,
Mhm.
you see, I mean, it's difficult to, I mean, which one should I go and which one?
No,
You see
sequential
this?
wise, you have to go sequence manner. That's all.
So
First,
you're saying these
final.
are
No,
finance
no.
setup.
Why it will be like three divisions? We have three divisions. Why it will be? It will be complete one set of folder, Kanish.
No, when I downloaded, it came in three folders.
How come? One second.
That's how it got downloaded.
Let me see. OM.
I don't know why it came like that, but see this and the way it is here, right? I'm these names. It's very difficult to understand. Like, what does it mean? You
Okay,
getting my
you
point,
will
right?
do. I'll do one thing. See, I have whatever videos I have given. That snapshot I will give. Means which one is first, which one is second, which one is third, like that. So they have given
Okay,
here
perfect.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like that. Okay. So that
It's not.
snapshot.
You see.
mm,
Okay, okay. So you're saying this 7, 13.
8, 9, 10. 5. It has started from 5.
Okay, okay. Let me go to this folder then.
Mm,
Okay, see, 5 is here
Yeah,
in this
yeah. That is
folder.
what some jumbled happen.
Okay, then I will follow this sequence. No
5,
problem. 5,
6,
6.
7, 8, like that sequence.
It's in. Okay, okay, okay.
You
See,
do one
7 is.
thing, all these put together into one folder. You follow the sequence. That's all.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me do it that way. I think now it makes sense, Ramu. This
Mm,
is what I was thinking. That
Acha,
why it is not coming this
different.
way.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is what I was concerned actually.
Mhm. No problem. So he explained like step by step. So even videos are also it will be sequence. So we don't need to worry which one we need to start first. Okay.
Okay, now I got it. I can go because I was searching then and then bits and pieces here and there I was doing it in some or the other way. That's how I landed on this.
Fine. No problem.
So so Ramu, I'll do one thing. Now that I have some idea, you please send me the document also
Yeah, yeah,
and
I'll
those
share.
video sequence.
I'll share.
I'll go right now, go through it.
Mm.
Also, Ramu,
And
if you could just share
one,
me.
yeah, yeah, resume I'll share. And
Hmm,
uh, like in the resume, some what you call projects I have worked with the WD project I have done with this one procurement only. So there's some
huh.
key points. If you want, you can just copy that and
Yeah, yeah,
put.
yeah, perfect. That should be more one, at least one, two projects I will put
Mm.
for, so that's how I'll manage some or the other way. So that,
Okay, sure. I'll share to you.
you can share and I will go through this, Ramu. Okay. If I have any doubts, sometimes not in the week, but in the weekend, if you can spare some time, we'll connect like this.
Sure, sure, sure. Definitely. Sure.
Thanks, man. Thank you
At
so
least you
much,
got
Ramu.
some idea right now.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. Now I know the way that Excel sheet you told me, right? The way the
Mhm.
structure is. That is important
Yes.
because I don't know what is the relation between like how division would be, then how what is legal
Correct.
entity. So legal
Correct.
entity is nothing but one division only. It is the
Yes.
same.
Yes.
Now I understand. Then under legal entity we'll have this business unit. In business unit we have inventory. So now I got it. It is good to
Okay.
understand.
Okay, sir. That's good
Thanks,
actually.
bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is all I can tell you.
Yeah, yeah. These things I will keep into the drive and then I'll share that folder to you.
Sure, sure, Aman. Please share that folder and don't forget to keep your resume, okay?
Yeah, yeah,
Because I will be
I'll keep
updating
now.
tonight only. I will sit and update and I will kind of upload.
I'll keep that. I'll keep that now itself. Okay.
All right, guys. Thank you.
All right. Okay.
Chalo.
Chalo. Chalo. Enjoy.
Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Yeah. Bye.